also buy like, you can buy it with different sauces. You can buy it with honey and caramel sauce. You can either pay 300 yen to get one of these, you can guarantee get one, or you can spend 100 yen and try to get one at the claw machine. See if it'll give it away. Last one. I got this one. So this is an ice cream vending machine, and it's 17. Probably called 17 ice because if you count, I'm pretty sure there are 17 flavors. I'm going to try the Belgian chocolate because it says it's a special. Okay, I'm going to try this special selection also, and it's called chocolate with banana and macadamia nuts. You have to press the button. So this is I got Belgian chocolate. Chocolate with macadamia nut and banana. Really creamy and like it's better than normal chocolate because like I don't know if you can see, but there's like a little bit of chocolate in there. Here you can see there are a lot of macadamia nuts. I like the texture because it's crunchy and the ice cream is soft, and I think that those are chocolate chips. Someone stole my ice cream cone, so then I'm going to buy this one, cookies and cream. So this flavor is cookies and cream. There are small chocolate chips and there's also a lot of vanilla flavor. It's also kind of chewy. But I like the macadamia chocolate one, but someone stole it. I'm gonna get another one. I like this a lot, so I'm gonna get another one.